Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming you have the correct backup, full first, then differential or log as needed. Make sure the SQL Server service account can read the backup file and that you note original data/log file paths. Next, put the target database into single user mode if you intend to overwrite it. This prevents connections from blocking the restore. Once done, run restore file instantly to verify files. Then start restore database with Norcovery if you plan to apply subsequent backups. You execute restore database from disk, using with move to map MDF/LDF files when paths differ. If you have differential or transaction log backups, apply them in chronological order using with Norcovery so the chain remains open. Make sure to run restore verifiantly before heavy operations to catch corruption early. Monitor the restore progress using SYS, DM, exec requests, or SQL Server Management Studio's progress indicators. If performance is an issue, throttle backup reads or perform the restore during low-traffic windows. You conclude by issuing restore database with recovery to bring the database online, and then run dbcc checkdb to validate integrity and catch subtle corruption. After recovery, reset the database to multi-user and reapply maintenance like index rebuilds if needed. If something goes wrong, check the SQL Server error log for specific messages, confirm the restore sequence and backup chain, and verify file permissions and available disk space. One key tip: if recovery fails, restore a test copy to isolate the issue without impacting production.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.